Alright, what is up everybody? It's JVR here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to download Geometry Dash in Steam. So, you will need some funds or like money or anything. The first thing you want to do is open up Steam. If you do not have Steam, just search up Steam download. Then you can just go over here, click on its website, and then say install Steam. I already have it. But after you get it, you want to go to Steam. You want to run it. Oh, I did not mean to minimize it. So, can I make this bigger? Yeah, I can. Oh. Okay, yeah, I can. So, once you're in here, what you're gonna do is you wanna go to store and you wanna search up Geometry Dash. I cannot even spell. So, yes, you will need some money. It's $2 right now by the time of this video being up. Yes. Really. So, sorry guys, I'm trying to use a clean mic. But so you will need some money. It costs $2 right now, it's 50% off. So it says progress next card. It's you will basically need to have like a card or something. So I'm gonna purchase this for myself. And then you're gonna choose your payment method. Well, for me I have to add some money to my account. So I'm just gonna like blur this out so you guys don't see it. Alright, so you guys are not gonna see this because I don't wanna pull out my information here. Alright, so excuse me. City. Billing address? State. Ohio. Oh shit. Alright, so billing address. Need my phone for that. Four nine four. Alright. Oh shit. Alright. So please enter billing phone number or area code. Do I need a second light, bro? Is that recorded? I can't tell. I'm gonna put in my phone number. So I just got my information. Yes, I want to blur all this out because I don't want you guys to see this. For me, it costs $2.15, 16 as a tax. So if I click this, it should now be paid. So I click purchase. And look at this. Thank you for your purchase. So there you go. You have now bought a geometry dash, and now you want to go to return to store, and you want to go to your library. Yep, geometry dash. It's 178 megabytes, so you don't just install it. So, um, since you now have Geometry Dash downloaded, you can just click play, then it'll start playing. It would be like Geometry Dash as if it was. So that is how to buy Geometry Dash in Steam. Hope you guys enjoy, and goodbye.